tips how to manage your waste properly. So the first would be, take reusable bags to the store when shopping. You have to reduce or eliminate the use of paper plates and cups, but rather have this one.
Reduce and minimize the use of plastic bags and polystyrene foam. Store leftover foods in a reusable container instead of single-use plastic.
The benefits of proper waste management is better environment. Waste disposal units also contribute to the well-being of people by helping them become disease-free. The best part, all of this happens while the unnecessary is duly disposed of in a proper and sanitary manner. Number 2, reduces pollution. When waste is managed the right way, it doesn't merely eliminate the subsequent waste but also reduces the impact and the intensity of harmful greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and methane that are often exuded from accumulated waste in landfills. Conserves energy. Recycling is one of the best aspects of waste management, and over time, it helps conserve energy. By smartly managing your waste, you can also help conserve natural resources including minerals, water, and woods. So this is the effect of reducing, reusing, and recycling. If the nature has the ability to protect us, it is also powerful enough to destroy the entire man.
You have to stop seeing the natural world as something to be exploited and taken for granted.
Nature matters to me and it should matter to you. We need to protect our natural asset and stop destroying our precious planet.
Let's save our Earth. Let's protect our own environment in our own real ways.
Nature is an important and integral part of mankind. It is one of the greatest blessings in human life.
Let's save our Earth. Let's protect our own environment in our own real ways.